The Earth is both fascinating and mysterious. We look at features like the Devil's Tower in Wyoming, made up of 900 feet tall 5- or 6-sided columns of hard rock, and automatically wonder how it came to be. The same thing is true of the mile-deep opening in the Earth, known as the Grand Canyon. We wonder how its multicolored layers could have formed, and what could have caused the giant canyon that exposed more than a mile of sedimentary rock layers. Many of the same layers of rocks are found in the Rocky Mountains, but they are miles above sea level. What happened? Humans seem to have no control over the Earth's volcanoes and earthquakes, even though scientists have made great strides in understanding what happened, as they strike with little warning. There are two worldviews that guide the answers to many of these mysteries. One worldview is naturalistic evolution, the idea that there are explanations based on natural processes that account for everything that happens in the world today, and everything that happened in the past. Evolutionary naturalists believe that erosion, deposition, and other processes have always occurred at the same slow, gradual rates we observe today, meaning that millions of years were required for mountains, valleys, sedimentary layers, and other features to gradually form. The second worldview is a Bible-based worldview. Christians believe God planned, designed, and created everything that exists. Creationists are not limited to millions of years, nor do they believe that all living things gradually descended from a single living cell. Scientists from both worldviews agree that natural processes can explain how things in nature function today. Their primary disagreement is in their explanation for what happened in the past, when there were no human witnesses and when past events cannot be replicated. The authors of this book, The Earth, Its Structure, and Its Changes, are unapologetic in believing that a worldwide flood, as described in Genesis, rapidly formed many of the Earth's geologic features. Because many of the textbooks and other literature about the Earth's geology are based on naturalistic evolution, we are recommending that students use the references on page 4 in the text for research assignments.